Shamir is proud to present Shamir iFit, an automated measurements calculation software. Shamir iFit is designed for the Shamir Spark 4W device, offering a unique experience. This tutorial will demonstrate how to navigate the software's features and provide an explanation of the device itself. Let's start with setup and onboarding. Once you've ordered the Shamir Spark 4W device and subscribed to Shamir iFit software, your account will be set up by your local support team and you will receive an activation email. You can place it anywhere in the store with no limits in terms of proximity to a desktop computer. Please make sure there is no strong direct lighting on the mirror and verify there is a stable Wi-Fi connection in the specific area. After positioning the Spark 4W, plug it in, then press the power button on the front of the device. A white light will indicate the device is on. To start working with Shamir iFit software, first connect the device to your store's network. To do this, download the Shamir Spark Remote app on your mobile and follow a few simple steps to get connected. Once successfully connected, the software will open to a screen where you can select your preferred language. To complete the activation process, simply enter the email address used to open your account and the activation code you received in your activation email. Next, you'll be asked to confirm several essential notes related to terms and policies. Now that the setup is behind us, it's time to get down to business. Before taking the customer's photo, ensure the eyeglass frame sits comfortably and straight on their face. The lenses may be either clear or dark. Shamir iFit can handle both. The device should be located 50 to 65 centimeters or 19.7 to 25.6 inches away from the customer's face. You can see the distance at the indicator on the screen. Your customer can either sit or stand while looking into the mirror, maintaining natural posture while focusing on the frame bridge. To ensure the customer's face is in the center of the preview display window and the eyes are at the horizontal line level, you can adjust the height of the Shamir Spark 4W device by moving the handle below the mirror. You're now ready to take a picture using your mobile, tablet, or PC. Let's see how to capture an image in a few simple steps. 1. Press the Take a New Measurement button on the mobile or start on the PC. 2. Fill in the customer's name and click Continue. 3. Ask the customer to look at the frame bridge and hold still until a flashing light is shown in the mirror. 4. Ensure the picture on your screen is clear and in focus and the frame around the portrait turns green. 5. Click the camera button to take the picture. Once the picture has been successfully taken, a loading indicator will show and then the frame marker's confirmation page will appear. Spark iFit results measurements present frame box, DBL, PD, mono PD, near PD, fitting height, BVD, panoramic angle, and pantoscopic tilt. To verify accurate pupil detection, click on View Pupils. This window is designed to validate that the pupils have been correctly marked. If needed, you can manually adjust the cross location using your cursor. In case you used your mobile to take the picture, click Confirm and Register and enter the customer's name. Then switch to a PC or tablet to continue the process. Let's get familiar with the Shamir iFit user interface. In the reviewing marker position, the upper photo includes the primary markers. The lower pictures include secondary markers. Verify that the frame markers are in their designated position. If all markers are positioned correctly, click Continue to Results. In some cases, hiding the contour will allow the user to get a better view of the marker's location. If any adjustments are needed, click Edit Markers and start the editing process. To proceed, click the Confirm and Return button. To discard the manual markers and return to the automated marker location, click the Restore Measured Values button. If the frame is only partially detected, a message will notify you, and the markers will appear in orange to indicate the issue. Click Edit Markers to make the necessary adjustments. In cases where the AI algorithm cannot accurately detect the frame, you will be automatically directed to the editing screen, which resembles the active mode editing interface. In the ActiveFit subscription, the marking process is mostly manual. After taking the picture, you will be transferred directly to the editing screen. This feature is supported on PC or tablet. We've now entered the editing screen, where you can adjust the various markers. At the top of the page, you'll find a step indicator with the 9 required points. Follow the instructions as explained at the bottom of the screen and move the markers to the most appropriate location. Once you click on a specific marker, a magnifying lens appears to better show the location. On the right side, you can find the secondary images. If you don't see them, click on View Markers. Clicking on one of the images will enlarge it. Keyboard arrows can also be used to fine-tune the marker's location. If needed, adjust the contrast and brightness slider to overcome image disturbances, such as glints or dark areas. Click the crosshair at the bottom right side of the screen or keyboard spacebar to move to the next picture. To see all the measured data, click the white View Results box at the bottom left of the image. We've reached the final step. On the summary screen, you'll find 2 tabs where you can view the results, either as a graph or in a table format, whichever is more convenient for you. The 3rd tab is for the customer's details. Graph results will include the customer's measurements in a visual chart. Use the toggle button to select between fitting height from the box or fitting height from the frame. The table view allows you to manually override the automatic measured results. To edit any of the data, click on the specific measurement, which will enable you to make changes. An icon will appear next to it to indicate that a manual adjustment was made. Once the marking review is completed, you can save the results. Results are saved to the recent measurements and can be downloaded as PDF for personal use. The recent measurement screen appears on the home page each time you open the software. To access previously captured images, click Recent Measurements. It allows you to manage all saved measurements. For convenience, you can search for a measurement by selecting a date filter or by typing a name. Let's take a look at some additional key benefits of Shamir iFit. Shamir iFit can integrate with Shamir Online. Having a Shamir Online account gives you the option of sending a job directly with just one click. To do this, you'll first need to add your ordering system account on your Shamir iFit setting. The Settings function is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, accessible through the menu. Here, you can add your ordering system account and customize additional preferences to optimize your experience, such as upload store logo, select distance unit, set autosave results, show measuring magnifier, and more. That brings us to the end of this guide. You're now fully equipped to make the most of Shamir iFit software and the Shamir Spark 4W device, enhancing your workflow efficiency. For any further assistance, you can check the user manual or contact your local Shamir team. Thank you for watching.